Isn't that amazing? What when you take a minute to relax your body, it helps your body and your heart slow down. Okay, ready? Little monkey calms down. What? Oh, poor little monkey. What happened to the monkey?
Ice cream.
And look at his face. How do you think he feels? He's sad. Oh, poor little monkey. Is the monkey? He is having a tough time. What is he doing? He's screaming. He's yelling. And crying. Is he being calm? Yes. He's stomping his feet and he's like, no, my ice cream fell down. Poor little monkey. Little monkey feels sad and mad and super angry because his ice cream fell on the ground. No, said little monkey. Calm down, little monkey. It's okay to cry. It's okay to be mad. It's okay to be sad. Yes. Calm down, little monkey. Cuddle with your blankie. Do you guys have a blankie or a special bunny that you like to cuddle?
Take a deep breath.
You go upstairs and take a deep breath with your blanket. Oh, I love that, Gregory. What do you? Yes.
What about you?
He is taking a deep breath. Thank you, Gabriela. Look, calm down, little monkey. Take a deep breath. Can we take a deep breath like little monkey? Do you think little monkey's feeling better? Calm down, little monkey. Sing a quiet song. What quiet song do you like to sing when you feel? Can we try it? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Do you think little monkey feels better?
Yeah, he has his families now.
What are mommy and daddy doing? They're giving him a hug. So he did 3 amazing things to help his body feel better and all the sadness and the mad feelings and the angry feelings to go away. What did he do?
Calm down.
He took a deep breath, he grabbed his special blankie, and he sang his favorite song. After he had all these big feelings and emotions, he was able to calm down. How did he do that? You take a deep breath because it's okay. Sometimes we feel sad, sometimes we feel mad, but what we need to do is to stop and take a deep breath and let all those emotions come out. So we take a deep breath and we calm our bodies.